And finally, from Neville's radio lecture series, his radio talk, Affirm the Reality of Our Own Greatness, on station KECA Los Angeles, July 1951. And while I comment on this lecture, please join me for a lovely meal I had in a buffet restaurant in the Japanese countryside. Neville says, "Man is constantly looking about his world and asking, what's to be done? What will happen? When he should be asking himself, who am I? What is my concept of myself? If we wish to see the world a finer, greater place, we must affirm the reality of a finer, greater being within ourselves. It is the ultimate purpose of my teaching to point the road to this consummation. I am trying to show you how the inner man must readjust himself, what must be the new premise of his life, in order that he may lose his soul on the level he now knows and find again on the high level he seeks. In other words, Neville is saying, whatever it is you're experiencing on the outside, from the good, the bad, the ugly, it's all a reflection of something going on within yourself. And if you don't like some of the things being reflected, turn to yourself. You must find the beautiful reality within yourself, and the outside will simply reflect that." Neville goes on, "Man's chief delusion is his conviction that he can do anything. Everyone thinks he can do. Everyone wants to do, and all ask, what to do? What to do? It is impossible to do anything. One must be. It is hard for us to accept the fact that we, of ourselves, do nothing. Everything happens. All that befalls man, all that is done by him, all that comes from him, all this happens, and it happens in exactly the same way that rain falls, as a result of a change in the temperature in the higher regions of the atmosphere. This is a challenge to us all. What concept are we holding of ourselves in the higher regions of our soul?" And so here Neville is further telling you what you can do to change the outside. You do by being. You be by feeling. What you feel is the end result of what it is you want. What is it that you see on the outside, that you want something different? What feeling within us would change, that it would give birth to a change in the reflection? It will probably often come down to self-love and trust and faith from that. How does it feel to be so full of love? A love that's greater than any love you've ever known. A love where the questions dissolve and the answers are just known. A love that is gentle and easy, and yet full and complete. How does it feel to be this love? And how does it feel to see the world all around you without you lifting a finger? That this world now overflows with love. No matter what, come back, stay here. And now let us go into the silence. Good. I love you.